Located in a quiet cul-de-sac, this stunning home has granny flat potential on my left, and you've got the original 4-bedroom home with a stunning pool. Let's take you through. Free-flowing living and dining area with heaps of natural sunlight, ducted and downlights throughout.